Are you tired of eating busted ass Pizza Hut?
No.
Oh, well, anyways, here. Okay.
All right, so today what are we going to do?
We're going to make the fucking pan pizza from Pizza Hut. Yep. Look at that.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's get started. So first,
yeast.
Number 1. Water.
Kinda.
You got to make sure to fill it up all the way.
Fucking messy. And then you're going to add... Wait, that's the yeast.
Some more yeast.
Okay, and milk. We want all the...
Bro, honestly, just look at the description for the
subtract
for the
the infection.
And then we add that.
Infection.
That's oil, right?
Now we pour a yeast infection into another bowl.
You gotta let that shit rise. Oh wait, that's not yet, huh?
No, it's not yet.
Okay. And
here we have the flour, 4 cups. And you think that's a lot, but it is. You keep going. It's gonna feel squishy.
While you do nothing, bro. That's the main key. You just gotta let it glow.
The recipe calls for 1 bum. And bro, look at this shot, bro. Shout out to my girl CJ.
For real, we're hella stuck.
Oh shit. Split it into 2.
Why 2?
Okay, because ignore my button pants. Bro, look at this.
And then we just keep spinning it. And spinning it. And spinning it.
Yeah. And then you're gonna butter a cast iron. It has to be buttered because that's hella important. What is this? Oh, it's the pizza crust.
Oh, yeah. So now that we have the pizza crust, we just gotta put it in the cast iron and then cover it. And then...
Cookie time!
Wait, you need to tell me you gotta let it
rise.
Sit. Yeah, there you go. Let it rise. And then
tomato
you get your
sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Garlic.
Is that garlic?
Oregano.
Oh, yeah, oregano.
Parmesan.
Yeah, this one's from a jar though, so that makes it extra nice.
And then, okay, mix that shit up.
Wait, what are we even making? Is this the top?
This is the sauce.
This is the sauce.
Yeah, some bell peppers. We need some vegetables because we're making a supreme pizza hype beast. Cut that shit up.
I got this part though, cast iron and some meat. So you just put the meat in there, but make sure not to salt it double times. Cause that's what I did.
What kind of meat is it?
Italian sausage. That comes pre-seasoned, bro.
Now we know.
And then you start constructing your pizza.
So mozzarella, vegetables.
I didn't know bell peppers were the same pepper. They're just more aged.
Yeah, same. Me neither.
But then you just keep stacking it. This is her pizza, bro, because I don't really like vegetables like that.
Bro, what you talking? You always get the supreme. Don't even act, bro. That comes out looking like that,
for
bro.
Real.
Check the comments or whatever for the recipe.
Look at the butter on the sides. Oh my god.
Oh my god. So this is the Pizza Hut one. Looks hella flat. Blind taste test, you guys.
Yum.
Okay, that was.
Wait, that was the wrong pizza.
Yeah, this one.
Yum.
Oh my god.
For real.
Oh my god.
It's a good pizza. Do the recipe. Check it out. You ain't doing nothing. It's quarantine.
Yeah, that's right. Cheese pull. 2 thumbs
Make sure
up.
that reminds me. Like and subscribe.
And also watch your last video when I start poking.
Bro, we're actually putting content out now.
What?